259.8. I'm having a hot cocoa with whipped cream on top and some gold sprinkly sugar. The cocoa I'm having is Dream Cocoa, sleep support, super support. It does not make me sleepy. So it says rest, relax, refresh. This is made out of mushrooms and cocoa, I believe. There are the nutrition facts. 5 calories per cup. And yeah, I'm having that for kind of a snack today. Nosy little kitty. Today I'm kitty wearing. Oh, there he goes. He does that every once in a while. Be nice and calm. Now he's being real sweet, looking out the window from the couch. Just laying there dozy. He's usually like this in the morning. He climbs on me and then he goes to the couch. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah, big boy. The coloring of my manicure, if it focuses, which it doesn't look like it will, is actually wearing off. And I don't know, there we go. And I don't know if it's because of me cleaning my apartment, or the chemicals, or the tech didn't put it on thick enough, excuse me. But you can see where it's wearing off. So that's interestingly weird. I've never had that happen before. If you know why it's coming off, because I use my right hand to scrub things, maybe that's why it's coming off. If you have any ideas, leave it in the comments. I wanted to show you what we got from Safeway today. It's all put away, so I'll be going through stuff. We got Nature's Own sourdough bread. It's a small loaf. You can see how small it is. Small loaf, it says. There's its macros. Only 70 calories per slice. 2 grams of protein, not very much. Kitty's on the counter, and don't mind my mess. I got dishes to do. Beep, beep. Move your head. Yeah. I got Open Nature's dairy-free oat milk in the extra creamy. That's the kind I like. We do drink Better Goods almond milk. I also got some ground chicken for 13 something, and not ground, broken up chicken. Excuse me. And I can use that in sandwiches, my salads, or hot dishes. We got some Open Nature smoked chicken and apple sausages. I'll be making that tonight, along with Bob Evans loaded potatoes. Also got Greek Gods honey yogurt, Greek yogurt, because that's the kind I like. Hold on a minute. Got to get the cat out of the refrigerator. There we go. And in my pantry, we got 2 cases of Refresh water bottles, the 6.9 ounce, I believe. I drink 4 or 5 of those a day, so that's why we got 2. It was on sale for 5, 2 for $5. And then I got some chicken sea chunk light tuna and water, so that we can have tuna sandwiches, and that's all I got. Hi everybody. Today I went to go see my doctor. I was going to videotape it and totally forgot. So sorry about that. You're just going to get me talking. I went to see my doctor today, and they tested my A1C, and it's down to 6.1, which is why my insurance wasn't paying for the Ozempic or the Trulicity, because my A1C is really low, almost to back to normal. She is going to prescribe Zepbound for my sleep apnea, because apparently it helps with sleep apnea along with weight loss. So hopefully my insurance will pay for the Zepbound. Because I would love it to help with my sleep apnea, because my that's why I get phlebotomies and that stuff, is because my red blood cells are high, and sleep apnea is supposedly the cause of that. I do use the CPAP machine and nightly, but I do it throughout the night, but I get a dry mouth, and I start choking like a dry cough. So a lot of times I will take it off at like 4 a.m., 3 a.m., and use it again the next night. And I've been trying to use it longer, but I wake up during the night coughing and dry mouth, even though it's got water that helps with the oxygen. So you would think that it would be a moist air, but I don't know. That's how mine's working. And it does use the water, because the water level goes down every night. And you use distilled water with the sleep apnea machine. And what else? Oh yeah, my psychiatrist was supposed to send over a lab request to my doctor's clinic, and they have not done that yet. So tomorrow I have to call them and flat out give them the fax number so that they can get that done. The doctor said that I might not need to have another poke done, because the cancer center sends my lab results to my doctor, and they usually do a sugar test or whatever it is he wants. And she said that they might be able to fax him over the cancer center lab results, and I wouldn't have to get poked, because it's very hard to find my veins. They're small and deep, and they usually have to use a butterfly needle. That's why I hate getting phlebotomies too. They can never find a vein that's good that they can actually get blood out of. And that will be coming up again next month, where I have to get a phlebotomy done and a lab done. And labs work pretty good. The cancer center labs are pretty good. They usually get my vein on first try, so that's been awesome for me, because usually they do it 3-4 times. Again, they have to use a butterfly needle. So that's been mainly the update I've had for you for medical wise. I'm hoping I did get the Zepbound because it will help with weight loss and also my sleep apnea. I don't know if the weight loss is what's helping the sleep apnea or what, but we'll see how that goes. Hopefully my insurance will pay for that. Anyway, that was the update, guys.